What's up, guys and girls? This is the King's Tech Kingdom. Today we're going to be going over a new GPU mineable coin. I'm really excited. This coin is literally only 6 days old. So, get in, get your bag. Let's go. We're going to get into it, not waste your time. It's going to be a step-by-step guide on how to mine it. So, first things first, we're going to go over here to mining pool stats. And over here on mining pool stats, as you can see, we're currently looking at a network hash rate of 151.93 gigahash. This coin is only 6 days old, literally just released on the mainnet, no pre-mine. So we're going to come over here. The name of this coin is Gamepass. Join the revolution. So far from what I've gathered, this is a proof of gaming, proof of work, proof of gaming type of coin. Essentially, you play games, it tracks you based on your stats. They have an allocation of coins, and they will pay that out to the people with the higher stats. And so, you play your game, make some crypto, kind of their own play on those play to earn games, but you play your own game. Okay, about us. We are Game Pass Network, a gaming and crypto platform that rewards you for playing popular games with GPN coins, a proof of work based cryptocurrency that uses Kapow algorithm. Our platform also has a custom halving algorithm and a future marketplace for game assets. Our goal is to create a gamers ecosystem where you can enjoy gaming and crypto. Join us today and be part of the Game Pass Network community. They do have a Discord. I have been looking into it. It is not a lot's going on in their Discord right now just because it's super new. So their stage one, launch Game Pass Network blockchain, which they've already done, launch wallet and Game Pass Explorer, which I have looked at the Explorer and the wallet. We will go over how to download your wallet here in a minute. They have launched the GPN mining pool. They have not quite listed it on exchanges. I do believe they are working to integrate with Dota 2. Stage 2, Game Pass Network Marketplace, Network API, SDK Game Pass, integration with more games, so on and such forth. I'm not going to bore you with it. If you guys would like to come over here and check it out, this is their website. This is just a little spiel about mining. Here's the proof of gaming. Gaming and getting rewarded in Game Pass Network is fun and easy. You just need to play popular games like Dota 2. You can earn GPN coins based on your game statistics and performance. You can also buy and sell game assets on the future marketplace with GPN coins. Join the blah blah blah. Okay, so we're gonna get into it. They have a web wallet coming soon, Linux-based wallet and a Windows wallet. So what you're gonna do, super quick and simple. You're gonna come here. You're going to click download on your Windows wallet. You're going to get the fun little download thing. You're going to go into your downloads, right click, extract all. Once you extract it, you'll get this. You're going to open it up. Since it's not that old of a coin, there's not much of you to download for the CLI wallet. You're going to come over to your wallet. I like to just go file, receiving address. You're going to create new, enter a label. Mine's currently named mining. You're going to come over here, copy your address. Once you have your address, we can now go back over to the mining pool.stats, and over here at mining pool.stats, I did start using the Game Pass network, gamepass.network mining pool. It is having some issues, but I did go and look into their Discord, and they say they are working on said issues because it is kind of dangerous seeing how we have over 93% currently on one pool. And if you know anything about mining, that is not good. But as the coin matures and grows, more pools will come out because, even the pools are trying to make some money on this mining. So just for super simple, get you up and started, we're going to come over to rplat. As you can see, I'm currently mining to rplat. Haven't been mining on it that long. Let's go ahead and do a refresh, even though I think it just did. So far I've literally made 24 of this coin. Nothing to write home about. Literally brand new coin. I just started mining this coin not even an hour ago. I want to be one of those guys you can come to, get your, essentially, I want to be that guy. Day one coin drops, I'm going to get it out to you guys so you can start mining it before the big dogs get onto it. Because once Son of a Tech or Rabid Mining or Chump Chain start talking about a coin, network difficulty blows up every single time. So, this coin is not even listed on an exchange yet. So literally it could list at a couple cents, could list at a couple dollars, could list at a couple $100. You never actually know. And one of the nice things is because this coin is built on the Kapow algorithm, there is no risk of ASICs or FPGAs, at least for the time being. Okay, so you got your wallet address. We're going to come over here, hit the connect tab right here. I just like to skip all this because I'm going to be using T-Rex Miner, just because T-Rex Miner is one of my favorite and it's super easy, but it's similar for all your other favorite miners. Just going to hit window, nearest stratum. For me, I'm in America. And then I always just go with the BZ miner one because the stratum is similar. You're going to come over here, copy your stratum. You're going to copy your stratum. With your stratum, we're going to come over to our favorite miner, T-Rex Miner, because that's my favorite miner. So today it is also your favorite miner. Also, take a quick pause. I'll give you 20 seconds. Please like and subscribe. Help me get big, help me get more videos and better videos out to you guys. I need to upgrade my mic. And so, that like and subscribe, pay for my mic. Go ahead, let's do it. So I'm going to just pick a random folder. I'm not mining Ergo. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit rename. We're going to call this our Gamepass, just so it's easy to find in the future. Once you have that, you're going to come over here, hit edit. It's going to hit you with that Windows warning because, Windows sucks. And we're going to come over here. We're going to replace our stratum with that one. Oh, that's my wallet, actually. Yeah, that's my wallet. I done messed up. Done messed up. We're going to just go back real quick. Okay, now that I'm out here messing up real quick, make this simple. We're going to come over here. We're going to copy our stratum for the pool. We're going to hit copy on that. And we're going to go back over here to our lovely, lovely miner. And also, you're going to want to change that part to Kapow. So actually, sorry guys, we're going to come over here, go to Kapow all the way through the stratum. We're going to hit copy and see we're finding blocks. Finding blocks means we're making money. Yeehaw, let's get it, guys. This could be that coin. You missed out on kaspa. You missed out on Nexa. You ain't won't miss out on this one, because this one gonna make you the money. Gonna make you the money. Okay, we got our stratum paste in. Go ahead, paste your wallet in over the stock wallet. And then, of course, you're gonna do wallet dot worker. I'm gonna go with rig O. You're gonna go file, save that bad boy. I'm not saving it just because I already have mine running. I will bring that up for you guys right here. Sweet. And as you can see, I am running two RTX 3060 Ti's on this. My hash rate would be a little bit higher, but I'm recording a video because I love you guys that much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to make up for this sacrifice that I'm making for you. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, I'm getting roughly 30 mega hash at so 60 mega hash total at around 309 watts. You can probably get that tuned in. I just wanted to get this up and together for you. Let me show you my overclocks so you guys can see those. My overclocks, they're the same for both GPUs. I'm running plus 150 on the core, plus 1,000 on the memory. I can probably do something about that and tune it in a little bit. I'm doing 75 on the power limit with 80% fans, 75% fans if you're in a cooler environment. But yeah, so this is the Gamepass network. I would definitely advise you guys to check it out. This could be potentially a good coin. I mean, it's really new, so it may take a couple months, but you mine it for a couple months, you get a couple thousand, you make a couple bank. Like, yeah, let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share my channel. Also comment down below anything you guys would like to see. Yeah, let's just start a dialogue in the comments. Best comment, we'll throw some crypto at you. See what happens. All right, you have a nice day. Peace out. Thank you for coming to my channel.